Hello, what's up guys? In this video I am going to show you how to add images or logo in your video. So let's get started. In our media bin file we already import a sample video. Now simply drag it into your timeline. Now we add a image or logo in this video. To do this, add your image or logo in your media bin. You can do this by clicking on File, Import Media and then select this, or you can directly drag it here. Now we add this logo in this video. To do this, simply drag it here. You can scratch it in down or up. It automatically maintains our aspect ratio of this image. Suppose we resize this and move it here. In track 2, we see our logo. You need to scratch this over your video from beginning to end. Now let's play how it looks.
This came out a couple years ago. It cost a whopping $1,500. But for today, you can pick them up for about $200 or $300. What makes Nitro special is that it is a completely different way of taking a photo. So instead of a traditional...
If you want to customize this logo a little bit, then click on this, and in Properties window, here you see we can scale up or down this logo. And we also can change opacity from here. We also can change our rotation. So guys, in this way we can easily add image or set logo in our video. Thanks for watching.